Hi Fs, I'm taking you back here in Iloilo Central Market because if you have watched my previous video, I told you I want to try some of the restaurants in here, and now we're here in Banh Mhi Viet. This is an authentic Vietnamese restaurant here in Iloilo City, and this is my first time trying their dishes. They've got several options here, and in this section you can see there are combos. As soon as I got in here, they served me this tea. This is a jasmine tea. This is the first time in a restaurant that I have been given a welcome drink. And that's the owner, probably, because I have not talked to him, but he seemed to be a Vietnamese. And so this is what I ordered. Supposedly I want to try their bun thit nung. It's a southern Vietnamese rice vermicelli noodle dish topped with grilled pork, herbs, and fish sauce. But they don't have a vermicelli noodle at this time, and so I ordered a different dish, and this is called Banh Mhi Viet. If ever I mispronounced everything, please do let me know in the comments because I am not an expert in any Vietnamese language. Honestly, this is how I can share to describe the dish. Their dish here is fantastic. It was flavorful, especially I think it is a rolled rice vermicelli, and the sauce that they paired with it is very flavorful, and I love it. As you can see, the restaurant is simple, but you can feel the authenticity, especially that their staff are wearing a uniform that suits their vibe. You can find this restaurant on the second floor of the Central Mall Iloilo, or let's say SM Central Mall in Iloilo City proper. So here I'm giving you the full facade view of Banh Mhi Viet. And the time that I came here, there's quite numbers of people. They definitely come and go, and most of them are foreigners as well, Asian foreigners. And so this is Iloilo Central Mall. I decided to teleport you to one of the best deliverable condominium in Iloilo City right now, and this is in WV Towers, Mandurriao Iloilo. You might have seen this already in my previous vlogs, but let me give you a glimpse of the loft types here in WV, and this is a furnished one. What's great with WV is that you can buy condominium units just like this one that are furnished. Yes, they are selling this unit fully furnished. And this is a 2-bedroom loft type. So this is the down, or let's say your ground floor. Here in the ground floor, you have a balcony. So this is connected to the bedroom. And so you can have your living room / kitchen here, or dining here. And when you go upstairs, you still have another room here. And it has its own toilet and bath. And this is a loft type. You can overlook from there. And look how gorgeous this is. And you have another balcony upstairs of your loft. So, what do you think of this? Isn't this amazing? We also have here, so for this one, this is a bare unit, studio unit of WV Towers. So, this is the actual deliverable. We already have here cabinets. And this is the kitchen sink. Also with built-in cabinets. And this is the bathroom. Look how spacious this is. This was 28 square meters. And you have your spacious balcony as well in here. And this is my colleague Julian. And the view in this specific unit is mountain view. Just a little run through of the unit. And there we have Aryan, also one of our colleagues. And we also have this 2-bedroom bare unit. So let me give you a quick tour of a 2-bedroom in this condominium. So we have here the bathroom, toilet and bath. So everything that you see here will be the actual deliverables. This is the first bedroom. We also have here the second bedroom wherein it has its own balcony. But let me give you a tour first in this one because it has its own toilet and bath. So for this 2-bedroom unit, you have 2 toilet and baths. One on the master's bedroom and one outside. So for the living room, you have a balcony there. For this other bedroom that has no toilet and bath, it has its own balcony. So this is what's amazing with this one because the balcony here is absolutely spacious and it is L-shaped. You can turn around on this area and have a different view while you have your amenity view downstairs. So this is the facade of WV Towers, specifically Tower 2.
Go, Miss Yan.
For the amenities, let me give you a quick run through. We have here a gym. And this is located on the 2nd floor. And most of the amenities are on the 2nd floor of the towers. So this is the gym. We have another side of the door. You can have your yoga session there. And this is the swimming pool, the infinity pool. So this area here is the Tower 1. And we have here the garden. We also have here kids playground on the 2nd floor. And my kids specifically love playing here. Just in case you want to feel the vibe and have a stay here in WV Towers, we have units here for rent, from studio unit to 2-bedroom unit. So here is our studio unit. This is in Candyland Suite. If you wish to stay with us, do comment down below and I'll give you where to message me to book for this unit. Also, we also have a 2-bedroom unit. That's Casa Moderna. Hope to host you and see you on my next vlogs.